So I was in the market for a really good smartphone case. Though I am a skin person, but I was afraid of breaking my smartphone by dropping it. But I like the texture of a skin any day. And that's when I found Rig Gear. In this video, I will be reviewing their case because there are a lot of people who like skins and their texture but cannot compromise the protection for their smartphone. But before that, if you are here for the first time, then a sub to the channel would be great. Now, let's roll that intro. To be honest, I was really impressed with the packaging. You get this neatly arranged box, and when you slide it, you get the case itself with a packet which consists of microfiber cloth with 2 camera cutouts. For the price at which this is offered, the packaging is good, I think. Before starting the review, I would like to tell you guys about Rig Gear. It is a Bangalore based company which makes skin cases. Yes, they make skin cases and cases which are customizable with skin textures, which is great for skin lovers who want to add that protective element to their device. When you will first visit their website, you will find a variety of customizable skin textures like carbon fiber, matrix, sandstone, etc. You can choose accordingly. Let's start the review with how well the case is built. The entire back panel is made up of plastic and the sides are made with silicone. The quality of materials used is really good. There are no cracks. Back is properly molded into sides and the skin texture can be felt. I have the red sandstone finish skin applied on the back. Though it does not feel like a proper sandstone case but does its work fine. At front, the borders are not too lifted, so I don't think that this could survive a major drop. So remember this point. Talking about ports and cutouts, they are perfect. All ports are aligned properly. Buttons also feel decently tactile. Overall, the build quality of the case is actually good. Of course, if you want a case which is super protective, then I would recommend to go with Tough Armor cases from Ringke, which will provide much more drop protection than these cases because these are made to look professional and offer decent protection. So the question is, are these cases worth for rupees 600 to 700 or should you look at some other options? Then my straight up answer would be definitely yes, they are worth the price at which they are offered because of the customization that they are providing at this price. That's just my opinion. Maybe you might think that a Tough Armor case might suit your requirement or some other case might be better. But for my use case, this is perfect for me. I hope I made everything clear. If you do like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.